Hello and welcome. In this video, we will explore how organizations can optimize budgets and track marketing effectiveness to understand customer behavior and asset utilization. For companies managing multiple properties and marketing channels, it often becomes difficult to understand which channels are driving conversions, how marketing spend is impacting occupancy, and whether the budget is delivering the expected returns. One of our clients in the property management industry faced similar challenges. To address this, our team at Perceptive Analytics developed an analytical solution for marketing VPs, directors, and managers, giving them a clear view of channel performance, occupancy trends, and overall marketing effectiveness. With this dashboard, teams can spot low-performing channels and refocus budget on high-performing channels, improve marketing strategy to maximize conversions and retention, spot and fix operational issues hurting occupancy. If your team is facing similar challenges, you can book a free consultation using the link below. Now, let's have a quick look at how this works. We have quick filters on the top. We can customize this report based on manager, property owner, or site name. Right here, we can select the period of analysis and compare it with another time period. At the top, we have KPI cards that quickly summarize key performance metrics like occupancy, conversions, and marketing spend. Hovering over any KPI gives a detailed channel-wise breakdown, making it easy to analyze performance at a glance. We had 80 conversions in the selected time period, which is an 8% drop from the previous time frame. Despite that, marketing spend actually increased by 7%, touching $2,568. At the same time, incremental revenue fell by 18% and occupancy dropped by 8.5%. This clearly signals inefficiency. More money is being spent, but it is not translating into higher returns. We also observe a fall in conversion rate and average rating, while vacant units increased by 31%, all pointing towards a larger issue affecting site performance. Let's look at the next section now. This view helps us understand channel-wise performance. Google Ads and Zillow are the two primary channels here, with good conversions and high budget spent. Google Ads brought in 23 conversions at a cost of $883. Zillow delivered 35 conversions, which is 2 more than Google, and with a slightly lower cost of $877. Even though both channels had almost the same budget, Zillow is giving us better results at a lower cost. Let's move to the next section here. In this line chart, we compare spent over time. Blue line indicates Google Ads and orange line indicates Zillow. We can see that Google Ads spend has increased over time, while Zillow spend has declined slightly. In this chart, blue line shows number of conversions. Orange line shows occupancy percentage. We see a consistent decline in both metrics from May through June. Fewer conversions led to fewer move-ins, and occupancy slipped from 89% to 81.4%. We just saw that Zillow's budget was cut and conversions also dropped. This tells us that the budget shift toward Google Ads was not effective and needs to be reconsidered. Even though marketing continued, but it was not converting at the same rate. The last chart connects customer satisfaction with churn. Here, the blue line shows average rating and orange line shows move-outs. We can see the average rating dropped from 4.5 to 3.6, and at the same time, move-outs shot up from 3 to 17. This is a big warning sign. It is not just a marketing issue anymore. It looks like poor service or maintenance problems are pushing people to leave. This tool connects the dots between marketing spend, channel efficiency, occupancy trends, and customer satisfaction. If you want better visibility into your marketing ROI and channel effectiveness, you can schedule a free consultation with us right now. Perceptive Analytics is your trusted data analytics partner. If you need a similar dashboard or any other custom data solution, then get in touch with us today.